Hey boys, how you doing up there, boys? Hey Gary, hey? My mate Gary. Hey? Yes, and there's Greg in the background. Hey, my little mate Gary. Oh, and Greg's come up too. Hey? Yeah, Greg and Gary, yes. Greg and Gary up on the fridge. Greg and Gary, they're ridgey didge, they're ridgey didge. That's Greg and Gary. They love to play and try and escape. Hey, Greg and Gary. Hey, what you doing there, boys? Greg and Gary, ridgey didge. Greg and Gary on the fridge. The boys. The boys. Yes. Just about time to take you over to the counter, boys, and bring out Fritzy and Stevie. Yes. Bring out Stevie, Dad. Leave Fritzy in the cage. No, I can't do that, Gary. We can't do that, mate. Yes. Fritzy, even though he's being a pain, he's still a part of the family. Yes, he's still a part of a family there, boys. Shiver, boys.